Welcome, my dear students of class 9. This is your math class of day number 26. In this class, I am going to discuss exercise 7.3 of your NCERT book having page number 128. Okay, please open your book, NCERT math book, page number 128 and mark exercise 7.3. First question देखो, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC and vertex A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, then show that triangle ABD first. Mark here is a triangle. This one triangle and or a triangle this one. Okay, so this one A, this one B, this one C, and by joining AD, okay, we get this one P. Question here, ABC and DBC are two triangle, isosceles triangle on same base BC and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. So AD is extended to meet BC. First you write here given. Number 1. Given triangle ABC and triangle DBC are same side on BC. Same side on BC. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are same side on BC. AD extended meet BC. AD extended meet BC at P point. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are same side on BC. AD extended meet BC at P point. Given complete, then to prove. We have to prove that first option here, triangle ABD congruent with triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent with ACD. Second option here, triangle ABP congruent with triangle ACP, and third option here, AB bisects A angle as well as D angle. IB here, AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, mark here so ABC and DBC are two triangle on same side of BC. Our aim to prove that first option here, ABD and ACD are congruent. Okay, mark here are those same question here, ABD are two isosceles triangle, means this side is equal with this side equal to this side, already given here. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. देखो first option here ABD and then here ACD in two triangle, ABD and ACD. So two triangle में you just mark here AB and AC both are equal. Same process, BD equal to CD because both of equal, then AD equal to common. So by side congruence criteria. Okay, so by side congruence criteria, two triangles are congruent here. Okay, the first one proof case में prove in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In triangle ABD and ACD. Okay, in two triangle, first option here AB is equal with AC. AB equal to AC because given AB equal to AC because given. Second option देखो तो BD equal to CD also given. Then third option here AD equal to AD because common. Okay, so by side congruence criteria, triangle ABD congruent with triangle ACD. Okay, so by side congruence criteria, triangle ABD congruent with triangle ACD. ABD congruent with ACD. बस फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हो गया. देखो आज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन कंप्लीट. Due to CPCTC, you are able to write this angle equal to this angle because of CPCTC. देखो, so AP bisect A angle. Second option here ABP and ACP. Two triangles here also congruent. Okay, the first right here due to CPCTC, तो BAP angle is equal with CAP angle. That means AP bisect A angle. This equation 1. So AP bisect A angle. This equation 1. Confirm this. Again you take here in triangle ABP. Either the second option, first option complete. Then second you just take here. Second one to triangle ABP and then here ACP. Two triangles. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. In triangle ABP and ACP. Okay. देखो first option here. तो AB equal to AC because given. AB equal to AC because given. Second option here. Second option तो AB angle equal to CAP angle because of before proof. And third option here AP equal to AP because here common. Okay, mark on this one side, then this one angle, this one side. So by side angle side congruence criteria. Okay, so by side angle side congruence criteria. Okay, you just write side congruence criteria. Side angle side congruence criteria. Triangle तो ABP congruent with triangle ACP. Okay, ABP congruent with ACP. Next option here, our aim to prove that AP bisect A angle as well as D angle. Okay, as two triangles congruent. Okay, due to CPCTC, तो BP equal to CP. Okay, देखो आज तो ABP and ACP are congruent. So due to CPCTC, you can write BP equal to CP. Okay, mark. Then okay, next option third bit देखो. Third bit our aim to prove that. Third bit में our aim to here prove AP bisect A angle as well as D angle. देखो already from equation 1 AP bisect A angle. Now you able to prove that AP bisect D angle. So for this you take two triangle here congruent BDP and CDP. Okay, third bit के लिए you write in triangle BDP and triangle CDP. BDP and CDP. First option here BD equal to CD because of given. Second option here, BP equal to CP because B for proof. You must write B, you don't write BP, you write here B for proof. And then here DP equal to DP, DP equal to DP because of common. So by side, side, side. देखो this one into triangle side, side, side. So by side, side, side congruence criteria. Congruence criteria, triangle DBP congruent with the triangle DCP. DBP congruent with the DCP. As two triangles are congruent, so due to CPCTC, okay, BDP angle is equal to the CDP angle. BDP this angle is equal with this angle. BDP angle equal to CDP angle. Confirm this. देखो after this we can write here DP bisect BDC angle. This equation 2. Okay. देखो equation 1 में AP bisect A angle and equation 2 you get here DP bisect. तो implies AP bisect तो A angle as well as D angle. Okay, next come to fourth bit proof. Okay, fourth proof था तो AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, mark here this angle. तो in ABP and DCP. तो first you write here IB. Before we prove that triangle ABP congruent triangle ACP. ABP congruent with ACP. So due to CPCTC, तो APB angle equal to APC angle. This angle equal to this angle. But these are linear pair angle. You write here but APB angle plus APC angle equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. देखो टू एंगल का सम हियर 90 डिग्री सम हियर 180 ड्यू टू लिनियर पेयर एंड बोथ आर इक्वल. Sum of two angle here 180 and both are equal to each other. That's why each angle will be 90 degree. Okay, you write here APB angle is equal with the APC angle equal to 90. Proof. Confirm this. Okay, next come to number 2 number. Number 2 देखो AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. Mark here, तो ABC is a triangle. This one ABC. AD is the altitude of an isosceles triangle. AD here altitude means it touches the ground at 90 degree. So AD is the altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. This one AB equal to AC. So you show that. First you write here number 2 का given. In triangle ABC, AB is equal with AC. AB equal to AC and AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Given complete, then come to prove. Our aim to prove here first bit here AD bisect BC. Second bit here AD bisect A angle. Okay, mark here AD bisect BC. That means तो BD equal to CD. Our first aim to prove that BD equal to CD. And second option here AD bisect A angle means this angle equal to this angle. Because these two proof you can get easily if we able to prove triangle ABD congruent with the triangle ACD. So our first option to prove ABD triangle congruent with ACD. If two triangles are congruent due to CPCD, you got your answer. Okay. So first we just mark here this one right angle का front side. Mark this one right angle का front side here. This one H hypotenuse and AD is the side. So by RHS congruence criteria, okay, by RHS congruence criteria, triangle ABD congruent with the ACD. As two triangles are congruent, then you got your answer. Okay, so first option given to prove के बाद, then come to prove. Okay, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in triangle ABD and ACD, first option AB is equal with AC because given AB is equal with AC because given. Okay, second option देखो तो AD equal to AD because common. AD equal to AD because common. And third option here ADB angle equal to ADC angle because of 90 degree. Okay, so in this case so AB equal to AC, second here AD equal to AD, third here ADB angle equal to ADC because of 90 degree. Okay, so after finding this you write first. So two hence triangle ABD congruent with the triangle ACD. ABD congruent with the ACD. Okay, because ABD congruent with ACD because of RHS congruence criteria. Right angle का front side here hypotenuse and this one side. So by RHS congruence criteria, triangle ABD congruent with the triangle ACD. As two triangles are congruent, okay, so here BD equal to CD. You write here due to CPCTC, so BD is equal with CD. BD equal to CD implies AD bisect BC. AD bisect BC. Confirm this. Okay, so this one proved one. Again due to CPCTC, mark here BAD angle equal to CAD angle. This one BAD angle equal to CAD angle. Okay, implies AD bisect A angle. This one proved 2. Confirm this. Okay, next नंबर 3 देखो, two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to the side PQ and QR and median PN of this. Okay, mark here two triangles here. This one A, this one B, this one C, this one N, this one P, this one Q, this one R, then this one N. Okay, AB equal to PQ. Next here AM is equal with PN, and here BC is equal with QR. Two side AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to the side PQ, QR and median PN of triangle this. Okay, so first write here number 3 का given. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. First option AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and median AA is equal with median PN. Median AM is equal with median PN. Okay, given complete. Then to prove. Okay, then you write here to prove. We have to prove that first option here, triangle ABM congruent with triangle PQN. Second option here, triangle ABC congruent with triangle PQR. Okay, देखो in this case first तो ABM this triangle congruent with PQN this triangle. वो इधर छोड़ first part से equal. Second here ABC बड़ा सा triangle वो PQR से equal. Cut from this. बस given to prove complete. Then come to proof. Okay. देखो given here BC equal to QR. You know median bisect the base. Median का definition, the line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is known as median. So here A is the vertex, AM is the midpoint of BC, so AM acts as a median. The line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side is known as median of a triangle. Indirectly median bisect the base. So here BC equal to QR. As BC equal to QR, half of BC is equal with half of QR. BC equal to QR implies half of BC is equal with half of QR. देखो in place of half of BC का half you take here BN. This one BN is equal with half of QR का half here QN. Understand this? BN equal to QN. Now you take here two triangle ABN and PQN. Okay, first option is ABM and PQ. You write here in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. In triangle ABM and PQN. Okay, in ABM triangle, first you write here first option AB is equal with PQ. AB equal to PQ because given. Second option here AM equal to PN because also given. Then third option here BM equal to QN because before proved. So by side congruence criteria. Okay, so by side congruence criteria, triangle ABM congruent with triangle PQN. ABM congruent with the PQN. Okay, ABM congruent with the PQN. As triangle ABM congruent with the PQM. Okay, this one proof 1. Proof 1. Okay, second option. Due to CPCTC, ABM angle is equal to the PQN angle. This angle equal to this angle. As two triangles are congruent, so due to CPCTC, ABM angle equal to PQN angle. Confirm this. So you get here ABM equal to PQN. Now take here जो second part here in triangle. देखो our second option to prove that triangle ABC congruent with the triangle PQR. Okay. So in triangle second here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. So ABC, the first option AB is equal with the PQ because given. Second option here BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR also given. And second option के बाद third option here ABC angle equal to PQR angle because okay, so PQR angle because before proof. So by mark here this one side, then angle, then side. Okay, so by side, angle, side, congruence criteria, triangle ABC congruent with the triangle PQR. Proof. Okay, you need to practice above question 2 or 3 times. Okay, thank you.